Good morning, student. Today our topic is ratio that we are going to discuss. In it, we will learn that how to write a ratio and how to simplify it. First of all, we must know that what is a ratio. Ratio is a comparison between two or more quantities. Ratio is a comparison between two or more quantities. For example, there are 8 girls and 7 boys in a class. The ratio of girls to boys is 8 girls and 7 boys. Girls to boys. First, we can write ratio in the form by using 2. 8 to 7, 8 colon 7, 8 by 7. It means there are 3 ways to show ratio. By using 2 between two numbers, by using a colon sign, or we can write a ratio in the fraction form as well. The third writing pattern refers we can convert a ratio into fraction or we can convert a fraction into a ratio form. For example, there are 13 boys and 17 girls in 6th grade. Find the ratio of the boys to the girls in 6th grade. Write the ratio in 3 different ways. First way to write using 2 between two numbers, 13 boys to 17 girls. Second method to write using a colon sign, 13 colon 17. Either you can read it as ratio, 13 ratio 17. The third form to write the ratio is a fraction form that you can write 13 by 17. Now we will discuss about few rules to write ratio. First rule is when we are going to write ratio, the numbers should be written in the order in which the problem asked from them. For example, there are 4 girls and 7 boys at a birthday party. Now first they have asked what is the ratio of girls to boys. We have to keenly observe the order in which they have asked the ratio. Ratio of girls to boys. It means we will give answer with 4 girls to 7 boys. Ultimately we will write as 4 ratio 7. Now if the question is what is the ratio of boys to girls, they have switched the order. They have put the boys first and the girls afterwards. The same we will follow while we are giving the answer, that we have to put boys number first and the girls number afterwards. 7 boys ratio 4 girls. Boys to girls. So that's how we will answer 7 ratio 4. 7 boys ratio 4 girls. The second and the most important rule to give your answer all the time in its simplest form, in its lowest term. The second rule is all ratio must be written in lowest term. For this, you have to first read the word problem given. Then second, set up the ratio. Third one is reduce the ratio if necessary. Sometime you may reduce it and sometime you don't. Reduce mean you will divide both numbers by using same number. Same number means by dividing it with the highest common factor. For example, Ali scored 40 answers correct out of 45 problems in a test. Now write down the ratio of correct answer to the total question. The first thing that we will notice to read the word problem again, what they have given to us. and what they have asked from us. They have given 40 answers correct out of 45 problems. They have asked the ratio of correct answers to the total questions. It means we have to put correct answers first and total questions afterwards. Correct answers were 40 and the total questions were 45. So we will place 40 ratio 45. Now how to identify that which number is going to divide these two? For this, you will write down the factors of both values, both numbers. Factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. Factors mean we have listed down all those numbers which can divide 40. Now the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Factors of 45 involves all those numbers which can divide 45. Now we will see that which one is the highest common factor or the common factor between these two numbers. The 5 is the only number which is a common divisor for these two numbers. So we will use 5 here to reduce this ratio. Divide with 5 means we will divide 40 and 45 both with 5 and we will write an answer 8 ratio 9 on the next line. So this is called to write the ratio in its lowest term. Thank you.